Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Slime About. Today I'm going to be a little slime review, like slime fixing / slime video with slime. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so the slime I'm doing today is a Nickelodeon slime. And so, as you can see, it's like a greeny blue. It says it was crystal clear like that, but I gave it a makeover. Let's take it out of the container. Copy off. Oh, it smells like oranges. Now you guys can come see. So here it is, like a green. It's like a greenish teal color. Pretty. Has like these little rainbow beads in it. And it is really clear because it was a crystal clear slime. Let's see, poke test. Pretty nice. Stretch test. So it passed. Comment down below, guys. Do you think it passed the poke test? Put it by the speaker. I think it passed the poke test. Stretch test. Definitely. Slime swirl test. That is beautiful. I'm going to show you it. Yes, look at that. Let's see the bubble pop test. It's really nice. What about the bubble test? I'm going to make a bubble. It's so clear. Now I can't really make bubbles. But guys, it also has like these weird like little like jelly cube pieces, I guess. Little sponge pieces. And like when you smush them, you just smush them and they fall apart. It's so weird, I don't know. It's a little jelly cube piece. Okay, now let's try to do a bubble attempt. Crouch it and bubble pops. Sorry. Guys, if you like my hair today, last night I slept with it and braided it. So I guess with that natural wave look. And guys, while I'm doing this, be sure to smash that subscribe button, that little gray bell next to it. Be sure to click it so you can turn on your post notifications, and if you do, come part of my Slime About fan club, and you won't miss another video again. Guys, this is like so nice. It's like a store-bought slime. I've added like some stuff, but even like without adding anything, it feels like a homemade slime. And this is, again, it's a, can you guys see that? Crazy. Try to show you. It's a Crazy Art, like, Crazy Art Nickelodeon slime. They have the best slime. So, yeah. If you want to buy store-bought slime, I strongly recommend Nickelodeon Crazy Art slime because it's so good. Guys, I want to see how much oops, wait, stretch this. Oh, guys, and I think next week I'm going up north. I will be sure to vlog there. We have like 4 wheelers and dirt bikes, and it's fun. Actually, not next week, but the week after, so 2 weeks. Well, we have the rest of this week, which today's Monday. We have next week and then the week after. So technically, 3 weeks. Oh my gosh, I painted my nails. Do you guys like some yellow, blue, orange, pink, like the colors? I can't pass it off, guys. The hands. Perfect. So clear. That's clear. I'm gonna try to make a lot of bubble pops. Double chin. Guys, I'm trying to make the slime swords. That is beautiful. Then I'm not gonna make the bubble pops because I'm just gonna try to make a bunch of bubble pops at once. I almost made a bubble. See, I made a little one. Right there. Oh, guys, make a bubble. Nope. Allison bubble pops. One more bead. So nice. Let's try to make a bubble one last time. Guys, comment down below if you like my hair. I love it like this. Put in like 2 braids while you'll slip like one here, just the top. Guys, so I might do a little makeover to this. Sort of like a makeover number 2. I call it out. I don't know why I like it. It's like a teal, like an ocean, pretty color, but then sometimes when I look at it, it's like, what? It's green. Like, you guys like this? Yeah, I'll let you get a close look at it. 1 second. Do you guys like this color? Do you guys like to see that? It's sort of pretty. Can't tell if I like it. I like this, guys, like squeeze it. But it's like not even sticky, like look. Nothing's stuck. Okay, so comment down below, what's your favorite type of slime? What's your favorite type of slime? And what other videos you want me to do in the future? We just got brand new couches and my dog loves it. Grace, get down. Thank you, babies. Oh, I love you. Oh, tummy rub. Sorry, now I know. Sorry. Interruption. Intermission. What? No, I was yelling at the dog to get off the couch. hope that's you guys on this video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye guys. Love you. Peace out. Oops.